What is that right there?
Seaweed.
I don't think so.
It's
just nice to me. I got it. Is that a shark out there? What is that out there swimming? Oh, it's a bird. Ah, idiot! Gotcha.
I got you.
You should say anything about smoke over here.
No, you can smoke there. It's a lady.
Yeah.
No, I think it's a girl. I think it's a lady.
Ooh, titty baby.
Bitch.
Go down on the rocks when you're not on the property. You're in the water.
You can smoke here. It's a rest stop. That's what it's for.
Hey, you want a seashell? You want to make a wish? Wish for what?
Yeah.